Alright, I'm about to make this video. I'm about to grab the scissors for my pancakes. I'm making protein pancakes. Vanilla. Yeah. Let me put my camera down real quick so I can open it. So I cut it through. Y'all wanna hear? Y'all wanna hear me cut it through? I'm cutting it through. Alright. I cut it. Cut the plastic open. Hey yo. I'm making some pancakes, knowing I'm not fake. Hey yo, I could do this all day. I put the scissors away, cause that's what I'm doing anyway. Hey, hey, hey. Let me put this in the trash first. Hey yo, I don't need to rehearse. Alright, let me continue what I was doing. Putting the scissors up, that's what I'm doing. I hope I don't cut myself, cause I put the scissors away so well. Hey yo. Now I'm about to put the pancakes in the microwave. About to heat up in the morning today. Because that's what I'm talking about. I'm about to put the pancakes in my mouth. Not close the door. Now it's on 4:46. I'm gonna heat it up some more. After that, I'm gonna eat some more. And then press start. Like I'm a microwave whore. And yo, you hear that beep? And yo, now I'm looking at the microwave taking the peek. I like the way it looks inside in my microwave. It ain't got nothing to hide. Nope. Now I'm about to put the box in the trash because I don't need it. Hey yo, I throw it away and I'm not ashamed of it. Now it's in the recycle. Cause I'm rapping without an instrumental. I be eating food just to get rid of my mental. Hey yo, now I feel better, yo. What up though? This is what I'm gonna make ramen for my next video. The shrimp kind, bulldog kind, soy sauce, and pork. And yo, I feel like I feel like I got this from New York. I know I cough a little bit. It really don't matter, but that's about it. And yo, that's how I make a video, a how to, something that I do know. I think it's about almost done. I know for a fact it makes it number one. I ain't trying to heat it up all the way. I like it warm and halfway cold. That's what I do say. Now it's ready to eat. Now I take a bite, put syrup on it. It's so sweet. Hey yo, let me get my syrup. Not ketchup. Cause I don't want to get to know me already did. Cause this is how I eat. This is how I live. Now I'm about to put my phone on the charger while I eat. I don't want my pancakes to get harder. So I gotta eat it. So I gotta eat it right away. Hey yo, I got to eat away. This is what I eat about. Tear the ish up. Now what the fuss about? Now I'm about to pour my syrup onto the pancakes. Hey yo, cause I don't play. Here I go. I could do this all day, hey. Woo, yeah. That's what's up. That's a lot of syrup. But it's the healthy syrup. See? Kirkland organic maple syrup. Yeah. Holla.